Well, hey, this is Custom Works, and I am Clint Allen. A lot of things that I get hit with through emails and phone calls and people showing up at the shop. They're like, you know, we've checked every fuse, we've checked the relays, or where are the relays, where are the fuses, we've checked the wiring, we're still having this issue, we're not getting any power. This is so simple, and everybody misses this. Come on in here. I'll get our closer camera set up, and I'll show you what the issue is. So this will be for 1999.5 through 2007. And you thought down here was an ABS. Well, there's more than that. If we pick this up right here, get that out of the way, and just off this direction right here, turn this off, and there you go. Hidden right in there. So all we got to do, real simple, get yourself a little funnel. Don't even worry about cleaning it out. There's a very fine filtering screen that's in there. Set it down in there, and then down in the link below, this is probably about the best that you're gonna use. You know you got the right one if it's blue, meaning that the fluid itself is blue. Let me get you a good close-up of that. There. And all you got to do, since your blinkers and flashers are not working, all you have to do is open this up, make sure that it came sealed. This is just like brake fluid. It can't take on a lot of moisture. Moisture over the years will screw it up. But you don't have any flashers, you don't have any blinkers, go ahead, pour the whole thing in there, just fill her right on up. Takes 2 quarts, but all you really need is going to be just one of these. If you want to go ahead and get 2 of these and fill them up, top it off, that's great, but it lasts a long time. So go ahead, get that handled, and boom. All you got to do is just turn the truck over, get it running, get it warmed up, turn one of the flashers on or blinkers on, and it just takes a couple seconds, and boom, right there, you'll have all of your blinkers and flashers back. As simple as that. So I hope you've learned something today, and you take it easy, and you have a good day. And also check out this video on how to fix your Powerstroke diesel after it breaks beforehand. Don't want to miss that.
Take me away.